Oh, I have blocked sink in my bathroom. Before you call a plumber and pay around £80. Watch this less than 10 minutes video. If I can do it, you most likely will do it even quicker. Warning, contains some extremely disgusting scenes. Ugh. So this is a typical UK bathroom sink. My one is boxed up, so I will have to remove the boxing around that sink. And I've got plastic bowls, some paper kitchen towel, a bag, because I expect some mess. So I'm getting under my sink, removing the block, and here you go, we have bottle trap. That's what it is called. I didn't know that before. Okay, I had to Google, but it is called bottle trap. Now I have to take this plastic part, so basically disconnect from under the sink and from the waste pipe behind. So I'm untwisting all these nuts, and hopefully I'm untwisting the right ones, because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just sort of using my imagination. So this is, I think, called a bowl. Okay, so when you untwist a bowl, there is some trapped water inside, and it started to leak, of course, so I'm just putting the paper towel to clean up. So that's why I was prepared, because kitchen paper towel is really, really good. There we go, so the nuts are going off. The part is getting looser. Oh, come on, get off. And I think I'm nearly finished. You might need some strength in your hands. Just ask someone else to do it for you. There we go, we can remove it now. So, first of all, look at this inside of that plastic part. It is kinda disgusting. It's not for fainted hearts here. It's something you don't want to see every day. And I need to spill all that water into the toilet, but my toilet is covered up with all the stuff from under the sink. So I will have to empty all that stuff and obviously throw that standing water into the toilet. And look at those pipes. Ooh, look at this. What is that? Okay, it is not a living creature. I warned you that is going to be a bit disgusting. It is just some sort of string. So I cleared my toilet, got the rubbish into the bag. Now I can pour the water out. Make sure that you take all the what they are called plastic rings from the bottle trap, because we will need them later on when we're going to put it back. And now let's check what is in the bowl. I really can see that some sort of stuff is there. Long and sharp. So unscrew the bowl, which is great, because then we can literally check what is trapped inside. That pipe looks really horrible. Anyways, look at that. That is a rotten, I think, screws, I guess. So anyways, we get rid of them. They shouldn't be really thrown into the sink. I will have to question my family after this. Yeah, so we have to empty those. But it doesn't seem that it is causing most of the blockage. So I'm putting back, the bowl attaching to the bottle trap, and we're just going to attach this part back to the waste pipe and under the sink. I still can't get that image out of my head. However, before we do that, obviously check the pipes, because definitely something else is causing that water not to drain. it just stands there, you know, in the sink. So it must be something under the stopper. So I'm checking both waste pipes, and look at this. It looks like some piece of rubber glove or something like that in there. I can feel something else there, but I can't reach it. So I guess we'll have to unscrew the stopper from the top, and just to check if there is something on the top. I'm using a screwdriver because I didn't have any other equipment. Don't use it at home, use something else if you have something else. But I don't know what is stopping water. It can be a hard item, especially after I've tried using all these unblocking liquids and stuff, and it just doesn't work. So, well, it does look disgusting. Not sure what exactly it is, but it's rotten, it's bad, it doesn't smell though, but it is disgusting. Okay, so we cleared that blockage, and now we can try to put all the parts back onto the sink and onto the waste pipe. Screw the nuts in. Make sure that you tighten them up. This is adjustable bottle trap. Again, I had to Google that. I didn't know that before. So be careful with adjusting the height of it, and to make sure that, you know, it is not loose on any end. So for this part, you don't need my commentary. Listen to the music and watch me twisting all those nuts. After you checked everything, now you can try to let water out of the tap. First, start slowly. I'm filming as I'm doing that, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, so the water is running. Let's see if it is leaking from anywhere. If it leaks, please stop it right away. Do not carry on. Just switch off the water. In my case, it is not leaking, everything is working, and water is running, flowing freely. So, bingo, I did it. It works. Now, do it, several times just to see if it's definitely not leaking from anywhere. Now, we are going to put back the stopper. So we have to twist it back in the right place, and look at that, the lime scale from the water we use in our bathrooms. Disgusting. That's why you need filters, people. This is just lime scale from the water, which presumably is usable and it's clean and filtered. That's what authorities are telling us. Not really. So we twist it back. Now run water again. Well, just mail it because you need to clean up a bit the sink and your gloves. Double check again if nothing is leaking, that everything is working. Yeah, no leakages, no dripping water. Seems good. It's disgusting. Perhaps calling a plumber would be a better choice after all.